think I got it out of the hole.
Let's see what we got.
Look like a dime.
Oh, 1943 Washington?
Yep.
Wow, we got a mint mark on it?
43. Yeah, not bad.
Looks like a plane. Wow, good find.
Man,
And I got this nickel here, but I knew I had a better number. So down here in the hole. Looks to be a Roosevelt.
new quarter, blob metal. I'm trying to get a good area for it, you know.
46. 41. 46 Rosie. Same hole. Here on a rainy day, got the detector bagged up here. Dug a plug and was digging it out here, and I got a shine of silver here. See what we got. Looks like a Mercury. I think I see a date. 1941. Good deal.